Look, few things you need to do in your life. But the most important thing you need to do basically is to add value. Now, what do I mean by adding value? I'm talking about if they ask you to do things, adding value in your job or in your business is what gets you to the next level. Now, there's another thing that you need to add on top of adding value. It's not just adding value, but you want to add a new value. What is something that you can do to make what you're working on better? Not just better, make it look excellent. Because once you do that, that's what gets you to win. That's what makes people recognize you. That's what makes people want to work with you because they know you exceed expectation, right? There's so many people, they only do what they've been asked. This is the reason why we have so many successful people out there because they only do what they've been told. Right? If you do the only thing you've been asked to do, obviously you don't progress, you don't grow, you then tend to stagnate, and then obviously you end up losing faith. So whatever you do, make sure you're adding value. You're not just adding value, you're adding new value. You're changing people's life. You're adding value in people's life, and you're doing it exceptionally well. And you're not really doing it because you want to get an extra pay, or you're not doing it because you want to kind of make more money. You're doing it because you know it would impact the people you work with significantly significantly, it doesn't just impact them significantly, it changes their life as well in a better way. So again, my property investment training business, people join my property investment training business and tell me, listen, your course was absolutely amazing. It blew me away. It's the best course I've ever done. And they literally love the atmosphere, love the event, love what they've learned. And then guess what? They go out there and implement it. Right? They go and implement it because they know it works. So I show them how to do these things exceptionally well. And I go beyond and over to help them get to where they want to go. And I genuinely do that, not for the money, not for nothing else, because I want to see them win. I want to see them achieve success, because I want them to be someone that was, wow, I tap into Rahim's resources, I tap into Rahim. Rahim is the one who helped me take me from where I am to where I want to go. So again, I'm not doing it for the money. There's so many people thinking, oh, Rahim is doing it for the money. I'm not doing it for the money. The people that have been to my courses or my mentees will actually tell you that. I go over and beyond to serve them so that I add significant value in their life. And I'm not saying do exactly the same thing I'm doing. What I'm saying is basically, whatever you're doing, don't do it for the money. Do it well, exceed what they've asked you to do, exceed expectation, add value, add new value, so that you can take these people's life to the next level. Guess what? They will love you, they will want to work with you, and they will refer you and recommend you to so many people. Because if you don't exceed expectation, let me give you an example. Suppose you are in a relationship, right? And your relationship, you're saying, okay, I'm only going to do what my partner did to me. You and I know that relationship will not be a good relationship, right? If you said my partner contributes 50%, I'll contribute 50% in the relationship as well, that relationship is not going to go long way, because everybody will just give up and nobody wanted to work. But if you say to yourself, I'm going to give my 100% in this relationship, I'm going to exceed expectation, I'm going to do X, Y, and Z to make this relationship work, it works, right? Don't look at what the other person is doing. Look at what you are doing. Be the leader to take your relationship to the next level. Be the leader and the inspiration to get you to where you want to go. Because if you don't do that, you will just derail your relationship and you can stagnate and you don't get nowhere. I'm not just talking about personal relationship here. I'm not just talking about husband and wife or boyfriend and girlfriend. I'm talking about exceeding expectation in whatever you do in life, whether it's in a relationship, in business, in your workplace, whatever you do. Don't do it just because you want to do it to get paid. Do it exceptionally well so that you will take yourself to the next level, because that will be transferable if you ever move into another job, or if you ever decided to actually become an entrepreneur. The second thing you need to implement to exceed expectation and win is by going the extra mile. Now, what do I mean by this? It's by doing something more than what they've asked you to do. Because there's no traffic in the extra mile. Because if you go the extra mile, you are up there, you do whatever you want to do. Down here is where everybody's doing what they've been asked to do. There's so many competition, there's so much crowd there. Everybody's fighting, eating and biting each other. But up there, if you do the extra mile, you're just alone there. Whatever significant, whatever tiny value you've added, it becomes a massive value. You know why? Because you are adding incremental value. So go the extra mile. In the extra mile, there's no traffic, there's no traffic lights, there's no naysayers, there's no negative people. You are alone up there, and you can do absolutely amazing to take yourself to the next level. So whatever you do, go the extra mile to get it done, and ensure it get done better than the way it should have been done. Because you know what, if you've done that, the sky is the limit, and it will take yourself to the next level. And in order to exceed expectation and win, it's important for you to be innovative, thinking outside of the box, bringing ideas, bringing things that people are not thinking about, having an open mind, talking to people, trying to understand how you can add value. For me, I always give my examples. What I do after any other course I did, I ask the student, I ask my staff, I ask my cameraman, I ask everybody I work with, what can I do to make the next course better? How can I improve? How can I do something better? How can I literally take my renovation business to the next level? What can I do to actually make it a bit different? So these are the little things you can do to add new things into what you do. If you're just doing the same thing every single day or every month, it doesn't really bring that motivation to you for a very long time. But if you're bringing new things in it and you are improving yourself, believe you me or more, you can exceed expectation and win. And guess what? The final thing you need to do, over-deliver. Whatever you do, over-deliver. Don't wait for someone to give you the stage. Ask for the stage, ask for doing something. If you're working, ask them, what can I do to do stuff? I've done my task, what else can I do? I've done this, what else can I help you with? Is there anything I could help with? And again, if you do that, that what helps you grow. Get you to your uncomfort zone. When it gets you to your uncomfort zone, guess what? Your mind opens up. Once your mind opens up, you will do absolutely amazing in that task, because you would over deliver. People would admire you. People would think you are a genius, and people will be thinking really you are a superhuman. So to exceed expectation, you need to add value. You add new value. Go the extra mile to actually make this thing happen, and obviously add new values all the time and over deliver in whatever you do in life. Because if you over deliver, people will remember you, people want to be with you, and people would always come back to you and refer you to other people. I really hope this video has been helpful. If this video has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like button below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing tutorials. I look forward to sharing the next video.